Hello guys, this is Donuts985 here, and I'm gonna do an unpackaging of my skimmer from saltwaterfish.com. I just got it today, Friday the 23rd. Hard to do with one hand. Hold on. Okay, that is it unpackaged, and I know some people like to see how well something's packaged. So far I'm impressed with the packaging, and just some styrofoam peanuts and stuff, and then just the box underneath. So it's not the best packaging I've seen, but it's pretty good. Let me just take this out of the box real quick. And there's all the packing peanuts, so it was on the sides, it was on the bottom and everything. So here's the skimmer itself, the the eshopps PSK in sub skimmer, up to 75 gallons. So now I'll unpackage this. Okay, hold on guys. Okay, so we open up the box and we got warranty and some instructions, and we have the skimmer itself, some more packaging stuff. Okay, it's very well packaged. So here's the main skimmer part. Here is the tubing. This. And then here's the collection cup with the eshopps logo on top, and collection cup. And I believe this is the pump, so we'll go ahead and open up that. Okay. Yep, this is the pump. Okay. And we have the screws, stuff. Okay, and then there's the pump. Looks like a pretty nice pump.